Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sathak, and in between I had left the Cucumber video series. I did complete quite a lot in Hindi, but I missed out on the English, so I thought I'll finish it off as soon as possible. So in today's video we'll cover about how to make the latest 2021 io.cucumber Maven dependencies project, wherein you can use your BDD Cucumber. We'll have all the jar files, in the form of Maven dependencies. So let's go ahead and I'll tell you step by step. I've already said in the Hindi video, but this one is the one which will continue with the English section. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go ahead. First step, we'll add all the arch types. Okay, so I'll put up this link in the description as well as I'll give you the GitHub link too. You can go and directly download from my GitHub account. Okay, so but I have to show you the steps. Just copy this, open your Windows, open your Eclipse, go to Windows, click on Preferences. Here you type Maven, and then you click on Arch Types. Okay, then click on Add Remote Catalog, and you add this particular file, and here you write Remote Catalog. This is the only thing which you need to do. Okay, I've already done this. It's here. So I'll just click on Edit to show you. You have to do this Remote Catalog, and then you have to click on OK, apply and close and everything like that. That's it. You're done. Now, File, New, Other, you open a Maven project. Click on Maven project, Next. Do not select this particular checkbox. Create a simple project, skip arch type selection. No, we are not trying to skip any arch type selection. We added a lot of arch types. Okay, that is why we will not select this. We'll click on Finish. And in this particular drop down, it will be by default, it will be in all catalogs. So click on the drop down and you select Remote Catalog, which you have just added. Here you write Maven minus arch type minus quick start, and it will give you a lot of versions. See, it is retrieving arch types. It will take some time. Maybe in your case it will happen instantly. For me it is taking some time. So you will have to select 1.4. I'm just pausing my video because for me it takes some time. Okay, it took 20 seconds for me. So this is something which will come up for the group ID which is org.apache maven arch types, and this is the artifact ID which is there. You select 1.4. No need to select 1.01 or 1.1. You select 1.4. Go to Next. Here I can write youtube.org, and here I'll write BDD YouTube, and this one will be for the English. Okay, so I'll just click on Finish. So now I have the BDD YouTube English Maven project with 1.4 arch type selection. Okay, there is an src main Java, there is an src test Java. We have certain packages. I'm going to delete them. I don't need them. I'll create my own package when the time comes. Okay, now the main thing is you need to add your Maven dependencies over here. Okay, by default you'll have certain plugins, and you'll have just the JUnit dependency, which I think it is the latest, but still more latest versions have come up. I'll remove the scope of test. Okay, I'll remove all scopes. There is no, I will not keep any test scope or anything. I'll just remove that scope tag. So what we have to do is we have to add Maven dependencies over here. Before that, I want you to do one thing. I want you to download Natural plugin. So what you need to do, you just open this particular URL, copy this, go to Help, install new software, and just click here. Natural will come. I have already downloaded and installed it, so it is not showing me anything, but I've already downloaded. What you need to do is click on this, then go next, accept agreement. It will ask you install anyway. It will restart and takes 3 to 4, sometimes even 5 minutes, sometimes even 10 minutes, depending upon your internet connection, all that. Please add this particular plugin in your Eclipse. Please do this much. The link is over here. If you want to, I'll give it anyways in the description, and I'll anyways give it in the I'll put this notepad in the GitHub link. You can get that. So it is up to you. Okay, fine, I've already done that. You can do this. After doing this, then we will add all the Maven dependencies. So these are the Maven dependencies that you need to add. For a basic bare minimum BDD Cucumber Maven project, the latest dependencies you need to add. So all you have to do is you have to go to this particular URL, mavenrepository.com, and you start copy pasting each and every Maven dependency. First you go for the WebDriver manager. See, you can add anything. I am just adding as per my sequence. You don't have to follow the exact sequence, but at least you have to add these many. Copy this, and within this dependency tag add it. Do not go outside the tag. You are adding lot of dependencies, and this is one of the dependency. Okay, now we'll add then do Control S. Every time you copy paste something, do Control S. Now you need to add Selenium Java. So go back to this place, Selenium Java. You add this Selenium Java. Please do not copy the Selenium 4. They are still in the beta version. We'll go with Selenium 3.141.59. Copy this, add it, and save it. Now next one, I'll go for JUnit. JUnit, the latest one which I have is 4.13.2. I'll change it directly because I have remembered it. So it is up to you, can change it. Okay, now Cucumber Core. Please do remember, info.cux is something which is deprecated. Not deprecated, it is an older version of Cucumber. You can see the last release was like almost 2 years back. So the latest one is io.cucumber. So everyone, those who are practicing BDD Cucumber framework in 2021, and this is the month of August, okay, just became 18th of August. Please practice with io.cucumber, okay? So Cucumber Core, select io.cucumber here, click on Cucumber -core, take the latest version, that is 6.11.0. Copy this, paste it here, save it. Now the next one, Cucumber Java. This video will take some time because I'm okay. Please do not select one from InfoCux and one from io.cucumber. Keep everything io.cucumber. I'm iterating this again and again. Copy this, paste it, save it. What is the next one? We have Cucumber JUnit. Again, io.cucumber. Always look for io.cucumber. And make sure you choose the same version for Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, Cucumber Core, and Cucumber. Next one is Cucumber TestNG also. Make sure you select the same version. I have selected 6.11.0. So typically I'm selecting this only. So you can see the version is 6.11.0 for this one, for Cucumber JUnit, for Cucumber Java, as well as Cucumber Core. Try to make sure that these four are in the same version, okay? It is actually better. I'm not in a position to show different versions and see how it fails or how it creates problems, but you remember this. Now go to Cucumber JVM Depths. This is almost 4.5 years old, but it continues to remain the same, but I am taking from io.cucumber. I am not taking info.cux. Added. Okay. Scope provided. I am removing scope. I don't want any scope. Now the next one, Cucumber reporting. We'll see what is the latest version of Cucumber reporting. Okay, we'll go with this 5.5.4. It is July 2021, fairly new. I'll save it. Next part, Hamcrest Core. Guys, you might not have to do this exercise because anyways I'll give you my project GitHub link, so you can directly copy paste from my pom.xml, just the dependencies. So Hamcrest Core, you can click on this. I'll go with 2.2. It is in October 2019, almost 2 years old. That's okay. I don't want any scope. I'm removing scope tag from every Maven dependency. I'm going to Gherkin now. io.cucumber Gherkin. I'll select the July 2021, copy this, come here, paste it, and the next part is Kobarchura, copy this, okay, I'll go with this 2.1.1. it is almost 5.5 years old, maybe 6.5 years old, sorry. I'll copy this. Okay, I'm removing this test scope. I'll go for POI and POI OXML. I'll copy paste from my previous projects. See, the moment you put Kobarchura in, okay, there is a certain problem which comes up when you put Kobarchura. Okay, so if you see my previous, if you see my APM project, this pom.xml, this has the Kobarchura and the Gherkin. Once again, I'll compare. This Gherkin, probably I'm taking it wrong. Okay, I should be using this particular Gherkin instead of this. And Kobarchura, I should be taking this one. Sorry. Okay, but still there is that error. And what is this error? Okay, tools jar is missing. So what I'll do is I'll take this tools, copy this, you'll have to get this particular tools file over here, tools dependencies. You can remove the scope. I'm not interested in any scope tag. Okay, this should be fine. And then, okay, I think here it is creating problem. Okay, maybe we need it. The next part is these two. You rather copy this, put it here, save it, and if possible, get the extend report, this thing, this as well. So these are some of the things which you need to do. Oops, sorry, I should not have done that here. What went wrong? Is everything not okay? Is there something wrong? Okay, let me see what wrong did I do. Up to here it was fine. So Gherkin I need to change from that to 5.1.0. I don't know why that error came up. Now this was for the tools, right? And I did add the tools from my previous, this part. I copied this and I pasted it here. So far good, no problem. Now the error is gone. What else is left for me to do? Okay, I want to copy these two. Control C, and I'll copy this one here. I don't know why the error even came in the first place. Okay, I'll copy this, the Grasshopper extend report, and I'll put it here. Yeah, so far good. Yes, looks good. My pom.xml is ready, and this is all you need. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this. So I'll go to YouTube video. I'll go to the properties. I'll go to the directory. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go to git bash. Okay. So now I'm gonna, okay, I'll check this. Okay, everything is fine. Git commit -m. I'll commit this code. Before I go and commit, let me create a repository. New repository. I'll create bdd underscore cucumber underscore, oh god, English, something like that. Okay, and I'll make it, I'll just create a repository. So I'll be needing this .git path. So I've committed. Now I will add this. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's see, now I should be able to put it in the master. I'll go and refresh my GitHub. Okay, so I have the pom.xml with me here in my GitHub link. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this link as well. So you can get the link there. You can copy it from here, or you can see the video. It's very simple. You can go and get this link, and that's it. So you prepare this pom.xml. Everything is there. You can copy the pom.xml from here. Make sure you copy everything correctly. And yeah, one more thing. When it comes down to this tools, you need to add this Maven dependencies. This will be different for you. So what is this particular system path? I need to tell you. You have to go to your C drive, program files, go to your Java, go to your JDK folder, go inside the lib folder and take this path. This path you have to copy for the tools.jar. So you copy this particular path in your Maven dependency of tools and put it here. And once you do that, concatenate with tools.jar, and that's it. Save it. No big deal. That's it. And rest of all you can copy. I think this will be absolutely fine. You can start coding. So this much from this video. I hope you liked this session, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyways, I'll share everything in the GitHub link. Thank you so much. Sarthak here, signing off.